Hello guys, a number of developers get confused not knowing whether to use string or string in a camel case in their code. String is an alias in C# for system.string. So technically there is no difference. It's like int versus system.int32. Here you can see your code using string compiles to system.string. They compile to the same IL code, that is intermediate language code. So at execution time there is no difference whatsoever. So here you can see the opcode ldstr is used for both the variables. Also, if we check whether both the variables are equal, obviously they are equal. If we check type of the both variables, we'll get a true value. Both small string and the camel case string are interchangeable. Let's see an example. So here you can see I have declared 4 variables with interchanging small letter string and the camel case string. If we compare the type of all the variables, we'll get true value. So here is a complete list of aliases in C#. Like for object we have system.object, for string we have system.string, for bool we have system.boolean, and so on. As far as guidelines, it's generally recommended to use small letter string anytime you are referring to an object. Likewise, I think it's generally recommended to use camel case string if you need to refer specifically to the class. Another difference is that you can use string without a using directive for system. You can't do that with a camel case string. String is a lexical construct of the C# grammar, so it is a reserved word, whereas system.string is just a type. This means that string cannot be used as a variable name by itself. So if for some reason you wanted a variable called string, you would see only the first of these compiles. If you really want a variable name called a small string, you can use the @ as a prefix. Finally, when it comes to which to use, personally I use the aliases everywhere for the implementation. It really doesn't matter too much which you use in terms of implementation. Consistency among your team is nice, but no one else is going to care. Thank you.